Introducing the new SoundBrick Bluetooth speaker from Urge Basics. A new kind of speaker you'll have to see to believe. Compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices. With the built-in mic feature, you can now make phone calls hands-free. SoundBrick is available in a variety of colors, including black, white, red, blue, and pink. Let SoundBrick fulfill your urge. Tired of your speaker falling and breaking? The SoundBrick is durable enough for those with a more active lifestyle. Check us out online at urgebasics.com. SoundBrick, never miss a beat.